Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to introduce a software that allows you to manage hundreds, even thousands of accounts, with no real limits at all. This is the main interface of the software. In the account management section, you can see that I'm managing a large number of accounts, and the failure rate is very low. Each account is assigned a separate proxy IP, which helps protect the accounts and keeps them much safer. Next, we go to the account interaction section. Here, you click Add Script. This is where you can turn cloned accounts into real, healthy user accounts by setting up natural actions such as scrolling the news feed, interacting with posts, watching reels, liking reels, accepting friend requests, and many other actions that you can fully customize. After setting everything up, simply click Save, then select the accounts you want to run, choose the script you just created, and start running it. The software will automatically open browser tabs and perform all the actions you configured. This process significantly improves account health, helping your accounts transition from simple clones into real, trustworthy user accounts.